Couture, and I'm excited today to be back to show you the last of the 3 kits of the Women of the Bible devotional kits from DaySpring. And this month we are talking about imperfect hospitality, and that just kind of gives you a little hint of what is to come in this kit with some of the cutest little flowers. Love those flowers and the whole color scheme again. So it's always bittersweet when we get to the end of a series. It's been a nice journey to focus on the women of the Bible. And I'm excited and looking forward to what will come in the next kits from DaySpring, but also a little sad because, you know, there's always a lot of, for me, fun memories and time spent with God studying about the women of the Bible. So I want to say first, thank you to DaySpring for sending me the kit so I can show it to you guys, so I can unbox it, work through it, hopefully inspire and encourage you to do the same. And so a huge thank you to them as always. And then one other thing that I want to mention is that if you are interested in grabbing your kit, if you head down to the description below, you are going to find a link that will take you straight to the kit and all the other little goodies that you'll find on DaySpring. And so that is an affiliate link. I appreciate every support. Clicking on that link and purchasing through it does not cost you any extra. It just gives back, you know, just a teeny tiny portion to what I'm doing here to hopefully be able to continue what I'm doing and encourage you guys. So again, a big thank you as always for that. And also I have something even extra fun today. So today, starting today, for a very limited time, you are going to be able to not only grab your kit, you can grab the other first 2 kits in this series if you choose to, if you have not grabbed them already. But dun, da, 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 it's always fun when I have a coupon code. So I could not wait to show this to you guys. I had to show it right away so that you would see it. Use this code FAITH25. You are going to get 20% off not only the kits, the Women of the Bible kits, but this is site-wide. So 25% off site-wide, which is super awesome. These don't happen but ever so often, and it's not that they do this for the entire site necessarily. So this one's really fun. 25% off site-wide. It is going to end on April 1st, and that's no joke. Haha. This is super fun. Faith25, 25% off. 25% off site-wide. So head over to that link down in the description, and don't forget to use this code so that you'll be able to get your discount and grab any other goodies like Bible journaling goodies you've been looking at. There's some really fun new gift items that they have listed, new cards, some fun home things. And so think about Mother's Day coming up. While you got this coupon code, it would be a great time to go ahead and use that. So let's go ahead. We'll dive right on in to the kit, and let me show you. So this is the little devotional title kit sticker that comes with the kit every month. I love having these to put in my traveler's notebook to mark my you know, section of my notebook as I am working through it. Now we're going to go ahead and open it up. Comes in this cute little box. As always, you've got, again, your little devotional title sticker here. I like to cut this one out, reuse it, maybe even cut out some of the tissue and reuse it. So yes, I like to use every little bits of the kit that I can to get the most out of it. So here we go. Look how beautiful. I want to pull that up closer so you can just see the detail of those flowers. It just looks like a little meadow with all of the different colors and styles and types of flowers they have mixed in. It's beautiful. It reminds me of being in like a meadow and just running through that, all those flowers. So very pretty. But this month you get your little I guess you would call it intro info card, and you're talking here about Rebecca, the widow of Zarephath. Please give me grace and mercy on pronouncing these names. Then we have the Shunammite woman, and then Mary. And so it gives you just a little brief overview of the women that you're going to be studying, and then it gives you on the back side a little bit more about Bible journaling and ways to find out more about that through DaySpring. So that would be your little intro card. Now, I love these devotionals so much and how they're on these cute little cards. And so I like to take the cards as I have shown y'all in several videos, and I put the cards in a traveler's notebook. So actually I have all, and this will make 12 cards. I have all of these cards in that notebook together so that when if I ever want to go back and look at it and study more, I have them all in one place, and I really love that. So if you have not seen that, I will leave a link down to that video where I've shown that before and how I set up my traveler's notebook if you're interested in how to use these. So the cards seem very durable and very like thick cardstock this time. I really like that. Now, what I'm loving is all these cute florals. Like, they just really killed it with the florals this month. So you have, again, these different floral patterns with a green background, the cream, the purple, like lilac, and then the navy. And so with touches of coral in the flowers, which I'm loving. I loved last month those pops of coral, and I'm just going to, you know, I'm in love with it already this month again. What I really like is, if you'll see, all of these colors have been in the other kits as well to a certain extent, and so all your supplies, if you had the first two kits, are going to carry over into this one, which makes this even better for your money. So I love that. But we're talking here about, again, Rebecca, and then you go through, you see each of the women, you've got your little scripture prompt where you can journal if you want, a little devotional, and then a couple of reflection type questions for you. And so y'all know that I love using my devotionals and working through the Encourage Devotional Bible. So if you have not checked out this Bible, I have a very extensive review here on my channel and on my blog, and so I'll leave a link down to that video below if you have not seen that yet. Check it out, because they are pulling some of these devotionals actually from that Bible, and so when you go to the Bible, it just gives you a deeper place if you want to take the devotionals even farther by studying in the Bible. So I love that that extra content is there. You can make it as involved as you really want, or as simple. Now, each kit that DaySpring does comes with a greeting card for you to send, just a little extra goodie that's free in the kit to pass along to someone else. These are coming from the Encourage line the last 3 months. And so we have another beautiful card with a gorgeous floral. It is a very thick, high quality card. It's not thin at all. It almost reminds me of like a thick watercolor cardstock or something like that. But this one's pretty little florals, again, with a sweet friendship refreshes the soul, with Proverbs 27:9. You've got these cute little florals on the inside, and then they're usually blank, so you can use this kind of for whatever occasion that you would like to use it for. I sent off the first two and loved just being able to drop a little note in someone's mailbox besides a boring old bill, right? And a way to really brighten their day. So I love those cards come in it. Now, we do get our sticker sheets again, and I'm in love with these this month. I think this is my favorite of the 3 kits because of the colors, one, and the florals that they've done are really cute. So you have like title stickers for each of the women, which I like. I like to put those in my traveler's notebook for each page, and also in my Bible. And then you've got all these different florals. That one is just so cute. I love it. You have these little titles as well, Grace and Confidence, and one that says Beauty, and I love how they've kept the floral background on them. I love this here too. They're like little wreaths or something. They're just so cute. Open arms, open heart, open door. I love those. So you get 2 pages of them, which is super nice because you don't have to worry about running out. And then you get a bonus download I'm going to tell you about in just a second. But then you also get 2 sheets of the alphabet stickers in this lilac, light purple color. And so in the first kit, we had the deeper purple stickers, then we have like the mustard yellow, and then this. And so I have been using the other 2 sets of stickers together, and you could do the same for this one because it is so nice how they've made everything really match and coordinate. But what I wanted to mention is I just was talking about the free download. I don't have it right this second printed to show you, but it is got 4 different pages of printables that are sized for the Encourage Devotional Bible and also sized for the Illustrating Bible with much larger elements. And those elements include an extra page of the stickers, alphabet stickers, an extra set of these stickers, so you don't have to worry about running out. You could use these over and over and then print another page, because this has included the actual stamps I'm going to show you. Printables of that stamp set are also there. Some of the washi that comes in the kit, and also some of these little cardstock paper pieces are also included in the printable. So you are going to get all of this 25% off, plus you're going to get that free 4-page bonus download, so you don't have to worry about running out of supplies. I'm one of those people that I hoard the supplies, and then when I get toward the end of the kit, I end up trying to use them in the past because I don't want to use them too quickly and then run out and not have what I need, and so I don't have to worry about that anymore. Very nice. So here are the little cardstock die cuts that we have, and these are so cute. I just love it. I love the coral in there. I love the flowers. So you get different little shapes and sizes. Whoops. Or you just drop them. Another flower there. That one's really pretty. This one says, give big. I love the hints. And then when you read through it, getting to see where they go. I choose Jesus. Oh, that would be so cute. Like a little badge or a little pin. I love that. Another little floral there. And then again, oh, that's so cute. So these kind of almost match with what you see here in the stickers with the round ones, but this one says, serve in love. I love that. And then this one says, when in doubt, be kind. Now that is so precious. That would be cute to put adhesive and just use that as a sticker, on a board or somewhere. I love that. So cute. And I love the little bag that they put it in too, because I reuse this bag like crazy for other little supplies and keeping printable stickers together. I love it. Okay, now let me go ahead and I'll show you the stamp set. And here are the stamps for this month. Again, I think those are my favorite stamps out of all the kits. I love that they have these florals. This one says God provides with the little frame type thing around it. Love that lettering. That is so stinking cute. I will probably be using that over and over. What I love too is that these are some stamps in here that you're going to be able to use in any journaling that you do, any Bible journaling entries in the future. They're not just for this kit. Like this one down here, we have this little round, wreath looking one again with a floral. Love that. Plus, how cool is it that you have these to match? But you could stamp some of your own and then write in your own little phrase, something like these are to coordinate. You have more little botanicals, which we saw in the first kit a lot. More little florals. Love above all. Love that one. That would be great to use for any other journaling. I love this one too. It's like this floral type frame. Another little goodie down here with some detailing. Another floral up here that matches with the flowers on the stickers. 2 of the little Women of the Bible stamps. I love using those and stamping them on cardstock and then putting them in my Encourage Bible. And then perhaps I have my favorite. This is so cute. I love that they thought and made the stamp into a border stamp. So this is a stamp that's almost like the flowers have been cut off, which is perfect for putting it right on the border of your page as if the flowers are just flowing right off of the page. That is brilliant, and I'm in love. Absolutely in love with all of those stamps. And then we have our washi tape, which it looks like a meadow of flowers again. How cute is that? So love that. It has the same colors that I showed you on that card at the beginning. I love using the washi from other 2 kits, with this one because they do coordinate and you get tons of it. So lots to go around. And then this is like a little extra thing that they've added. So it's fun to see how you guys use these things. This was like one of the giant paper clips that came in it. You guys have seen me actually probably use these all the time. I have these, and what I do is keep, if I have a thick notebook or my traveler's notebook that's full and I want to kind of keep it closed or mark my place, I use it as a little bookmark on the cover of it. Love doing that. So fun. These are great in planners. You could also, I've used these in the Illustrating Bible because they're so large. They work great in that Bible since it's bigger, and I will put ribbons and bows and different things on the end of it. And so here is this pretty little lilac cut of ribbon. So interesting to see how you guys use it. You could tie this up in a bow and use it on your page somehow. You could even loop it through your clip here and tie it that way. So be fun to see how you do it. I'm thinking about clipping it on here and adding some extra little ribbons and other types of twine or things like that. So that would be fun. So that is it, you guys. Look how fun all of this is with these florals, the stamps that are just stunning because I love when they do stamps and elements that you can use on future journaling, not just with this kit. It kind of makes you more bang for your buck. So just beautiful elements, beautiful florals all around. I'm so excited to dive in. This is the last of the Women of the Bible kits. So if you are wanting to try this one out, it does stand alone great. If you want to grab the other two, you can get your whole set. And now's the time to do it because, like I said earlier, you have this coupon code that you don't want to let pass up if you've been waiting to get the kits. Now is the time to do it. Faith25, that'll get you 25% off. Again, all of DaySpring's site, and that code is only good for a limited time. So don't wait. If any time they're going to sell out, I would think it would be now because you've got this big discount code, and people are going to be wanting to grab theirs now. So there's a link down below in the description. Takes you right over to DaySpring where you can grab this kit, some of the other kits that go along with it. Also, don't forget the video showing you how I set up my traveler's notebook and how I was working through in the Encourage Bible if you're looking for some ideas. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you again for all of your support, and I will be back again very soon. Bye-bye.